Myself, Dr. M.D. Sabdur. Today discuss about the topic of MCSL 016 Internet and Web Design. In that topic, we concern about the Internet in Unit 1. The Internet is worldwide computer networks that interconnect millions of computer devices throughout the world. Now next point, the Internet is revolutionizing and enhancing the way we as humans communicate both locally and around the globe. Now next term, the Internet evolved from ARPANET. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Project Agency, to which other networks were added to form internetworks. Now next point, the present Internet is a collection of several hundred thousands of networks rather than a single networks. Now next point, World Wide Web is a platform independent means of communications enhanced with a pleasant and relatively easy to use in graphical interface. We have described the three types of multimedia information, such as we use to text, movies, pictures. The next, hypertext information that we contain a hyperlink, we click on another page. Now next, graphical user interface. Now discuss about classification of networks. There are three types of networks: local area networks, metropolitan area networks, and wide area networks. Now discuss about local area networks. LAN is privately owned computer networks confined to cover a small geographical area, such as an office or a factory, widely used to connect office personal computers to share information and resources. In LAN, two or more computers are connected by some said physical mediums, such as medium transmission cable. These networks with typical data transmission speeds are 10 to 100 Mbps, megabyte per second. In short summary, we are locally connected in single building near groups of buildings. Now controlled by one administrative authority, usually high speed and is always shared. Now discuss about computers networks. In that, next metropolitan area networks. A MAN, basically a bigger version of LAN, is designed to extend our entire city. In way to single networks such as cable, television networks, or it may be means of connecting up numbers of local area networks into a large networks, so that resources may be shared. For example, a company can use a MAN to connect the LAN in all at its office throughout the city. Now next, WAN. WAN stands for wide area networks. WAN usually refers to a network which covers a large geographical area and use communication using subnets. Subnets means that circuits to connect the intermediate nodes. A major factor impacting WAN design and performance is requirement that a large they lease communications subnets from in that telephone companies and other communication carriers. In most WAN a subnet consists of two types of elements. First is transmission line and another is switching elements. Now discuss about networking models. Basically networking models we consist two types of networking models. OSI reference model and another is TCP IP models. OSI stand for Open System Interconnections and TCP IP stand for Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocols. Now we discuss about OSI models. OSI, an open system, is a model that allows any two different systems to communicate regardless of their underlying architectures. OSI model has total 7 layers architectures. Now 7 layers consist of 7 layers in OSI models. Each layers are perform a specific task. Now we can discuss about the application layers, presentation layers, sessions layers, transport layers, networks layers, and another is data link layers, and last one layer is physical layers. Now discuss about TCP IP models. TCP IP stand for Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocols. TCP IP is a collection of protocols and applications, and now we manage the services. TCP IP protocol suite is mode of 5 layers. TCP IP has consist of 5 layers. First of all layers is physical layers, data link layers, networks layers, transport layers, and applications layer. Now discuss about internet tools. Internet tools that we consist search engines. Search engines is a major resources to the information, such as Google is a search engines, Yahoo, so many available. Search engines are programs that search the web. Search the web is a big graph with the pages, links, the nodes, and hyperlinks. Search engines collect all the hyperlinks, and each pages they read and remove. Read and removes all the ones that have already been proceed and save the rest. Automated search engine system use computer programs to find web pages that contain information related to given topics. Now discuss about search tools. In previous we described web browsers. Now next is web browser. Web browser is a software programs that allows you to easily display web pages and navigates the web. The first graphical browsers is Mosaic. Each browser display web formats document a little differently. two categories of web browsers. First of all, text only browsers, and another is graphical browsers. Text only browsers are text only browsers such as Linux allows you to view web pages and without showing arts or using a page structures. You look as ASCII text on a screen. Now next is graphical browsers. You must use a graphical browser such as Netscape Navigators and Mosaic.